Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing 7th example of Bessel's function. Now friends, till now we have calculated half, minus half, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. This was one series. Then we started with 0 and 1 and 3 and 4. So you can say type 1 of the problems are done. Now we'll see examples based on derivative integration formula. That means formula number 4 to 8 will be required. So let's have a look on the given problem. This is the question. This is your derivative double dash and we need to express derivative in terms of past, present and future. So derivative to past, present and future. Obviously n minus 1 is past, so n minus 2 is also past. That you can say past to past. So which formula is applicable? Again, present, past and future. If you want, then two formulas should come in your mind, 7 and 8. And we have discussed 8th formula. 8th formula is for j, replacing j to past, future and present. And 7th formula is for derivative. So let's have a look on the formula. 2j dash nx is equal to j of n minus 1x minus j of n plus 1x. This is formula number 7 that will be required because we want to express derivative in terms of past and future. So friends, in the given problem, it is double derivative. So what you need to do? So you need to take derivative again because we want double derivative. So if you differentiate 2j double dash nx is equal to j dash of n minus 1x minus j dash of n plus 1x. See, we got j double dash that is asked in the problem. Obviously it is 4 and we got 2, so that is not a problem, that is easily manageable. Now what next? We got j dash of n minus 1x and we need to find it out n minus 2 and n plus 2. Are you getting? J dash of n minus 1 is given and we need to find it out n minus 2, n plus 2. So what we need to do is, this is the formula, j dash nx is equal to j of n minus 1x minus j of n plus 1x, basic formula. I am going to replace or put n is equal to n minus 1. Why I am doing it? Because I want to replace this term, j dash of n minus 1. So if I'll put n minus 1, so I'll get 2 j dash of n minus 1x equal to j of n minus 2x minus j of nx. So this is the term j dash of n minus 1x, but I just want j dash of n minus 1x. So what I will do is, j dash of n minus 1x is 2 will go this side, j of n minus 2x minus jnx. And if you replace n with n plus 1, then 2 j dash of n plus 1x is equal to j of nx minus j of n plus 2x. So j dash of n plus 1x, 2 will go this side, j1 of x minus j of n plus 2 into x. So these are the two terms that I got, j dash of n minus 1x and j dash of n plus 1x. So that I'm going to put in this particular equation, equation number 1, and I'll get my result. See how. 2 j double dash of nx equal to j dash of n minus 1x minus j dash of n plus 1x. Let's put the values. So this is the value, first value, j of n minus 2x minus jnx upon 2 minus jnx minus j of n plus 2x upon 2. So if you take LCM, 2 is the LCM, that will go with this side and that will become 4. J double dash nx equal to j of n minus 2x minus j nx. So if you open, this will become minus and the second term will become plus. So minus j nx plus j n plus 2x. So which is equal to j n minus 2x plus j n plus 2x minus twice j nx. That's it. That's the required solution. Thank you.